cute.
Well, today is a special day around here at 3TV. We like to call it the Big Give.
Yes, it's a long-standing tradition with Arizona's family. And if you're going to the grocery store, it could be a great idea to pick up an extra bird. It is our Big Give. Fields Mosley is out this time around, joining us live from Fry's in Scottsdale, right there at the 101 and Shea. Good morning.
You know, this place is hopping today, Kaylee and Javier. The parking lot is packed. Everyone's coming in, getting their turkeys, their pies, their potatoes, everything they got to get for their Thanksgiving meal. And we're having a lot of fun out here, and we have some special guests right now. I have Kevin Guy, and he is the head coach of the Rattlers, and you guys have had an incredible year.
You know, we have. You know, I think it starts at the top. Ron Schertz does a great job with our organization, setting expectations, and we got great players and great coaches. So we've had a great opportunity on the field, and now we have a great opportunity here today off the field.
Well, let's talk about that, because I know you guys have had so much success, but you brought some of your players with you today, some cheerleaders and everything, and you guys are donating 100 turkeys.
You know, we are. It's the second year in a row that we've teamed up with 3TV and Salvation Army, and we got a chance to give back to our community. Our assistant head coach, Connie Kauai here, and Craig Runnimar, our kicker, Jared Perry and Cliff Dukes, three of our players. So it's an opportunity to, you know, give back and you know, we want to have success off the field as much as we do on the field.
And why is it so important for your team to give back and to participate in events like this?
Well, I think we're extremely blessed, you know, people to be able to do what we do, and it's a chance for us to be able to give back to our community and say thank you, and we really appreciate the support we have here in Phoenix.
All right, thank you so much, Kevin. Kevin Guy with the Rattlers. They have had so much success over the last 3 years, all these amazing championships and everything, so support them when their season starts in March. But let's talk a little bit more about the Big Give, because you still have the opportunity. You come out here to Fry's, you grab the Gobble Give card, $10 is added to your bill for the day, but that turkey goes to the Salvation Army, and the goal, of course, is 5,000 turkeys. So after you do that, you get a feather. You put your name on it if you'd like to, and what we're trying to do is fill up this poster back here so the turkey's not naked, as they say in the South. So we're trying to fill up that turkey. A lot of turkeys still to collect today. And Javier, I understand you are going to be out here a little bit later on this afternoon to make sure we hit that goal today.
And to cover up that turkey from being naked.
You don't want a naked turkey. Well, unless you're going to cook him.
Yeah,
you got to fry him then.
We had our producer translate, because she's from the South, so she said, that is naked.
Well, she said it more like this. It's naked. She's from Kentucky.
Well, where I grew up, it was naked. Yeah, so we're having a lot of fun. You know, the Rattlers donate those 100 turkeys. That gets us a little bit closer to our goal, but a lot more work to do today. And I know the people out here at this particular Fry's store, 101 and Shea, they're going to be donating a lot of turkeys today. Feed a lot of people who could really use the help this holiday.
All right, come on out and support us on the Big Give.
Bring the kids, too. It's going to be fun.
And bring some feathers for that naked turkey.
So the Southern interpretation and the Southern California interpretation.
Mine not so well.